We launched our meals program in September last year. The impact so far has been pretty amazing. Feedback from parents is excellent in regards to saving money, nutrition and their children trying new foods at home, which has been really exciting. Feedback from teachers and anecdotal evidence is that children are generally more settled in the afternoons. We introduced Graze in the second half of last year to coincide with the beginning of our school meals program, because we thought it was really important that if we were feeding children every day their morning tea, lunch and afternoon tea, that they had a really solid understanding of food, getting them out in the garden, getting their hands dirty, and then of course cleaning and sanitising before they come in to cook the meals.
We grow produce in our garden next door, and then we try and use as much of that as we can to cook and then eat. Something that's hands-on, like gardening and cooking, really allows kids to use their oral language and measuring and maths and science, and there's so much just with gardening and cooking. That's why I love it. They're really brave with their choices and having a go at foods perhaps that, you know, even culturally they've never come across, or sharing some of their cultural cooking in the kitchen as well. So we all get to sort of celebrate each other's cultures, which is fantastic.
On the meals we do, like pasta and tacos.
And inside free garden, there's some lemons and pumpkins and apples and I think orange.
Before we started the meals program, we mostly stuck to one group of friends, but then it's definitely gotten us all more closer. Now we talk more.
So for Graze, my favourite thing that we cooked was probably the pizza scrolls. If something has a vegetable in it or something, it's not always bad, it's sometimes good.
I have the wonderful job of cooking nutritious, balanced variety of foods for our kids every day. We've had so many stories of kids exploring new things they've never tried before, and that's just really the successes that we love. We do get a lot of very excited students bringing us fresh vegetables from the garden that are then used in their meals, and make sure that they know that I'm using it as well.
So I went to Finland and Sweden in 2024 after I won the VPA scholarship. I was able to visit a number of schools over there that did have meals programs, and then I thought it was really important that we not only fed the children every day, but for them to understand the science behind it all as well. And slowly as we go on, and the more produce that we can grow in the garden, the more we can provide to Mike in the kitchen.